How to fix iMessage Facetime Activation Error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix iMessage or Facetime Activation Error. Now let's get right into the tutorial. This issue might sometimes occur due to poor internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also go ahead and open your preferred browser and make a quick search and ensure that your internet connection is working smoothly. Now, launch the Settings application and scroll down and find the FaceTime option and make sure the toggle button for FaceTime is toggled on. Now go ahead and tap on the cellular option and scroll down and find the FaceTime option and make sure the toggle button for FaceTime is toggled on when your device is using cellular data. Lastly, go ahead and reset network settings. In order to reset network settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your iMessage and FaceTime should be working just fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.